Okay, so you're looking at starting a business online, but you're not too sure where to begin. So if you listen to my previous YouTube video, that's where I am. I had a fantastic job as a learning and development consultant working on different ships around the world. And then because of COVID, the shipping industry or the cruising industry has come to a halt. So I'm stuck at home. So I now need to learn how to move my career online so I can deliver learning consulting online. So you might be in the same situation as me. Maybe you've lost a lot of your income or all of your income because you can't go back to work. So come join me on this journey. I'm going to show you how $7 got me over $3,500 worth of training material from this company with the most incredible support. Okay, so this 15-day online business builder course that I purchased for $7, the concept here is to teach us how to create an online presence, learning digital marketing skills. You can see there's actually 15 days, showing only 30 at the moment. Each day, they teach you how to do something to get to the next level. Now, the best part of this entire training program is managed by Dave Sharp. Now, he sold over $200 million of his own product. He's a seven-figure, I think even eight-figure income earner from the online internet business. So he's an industry expert. That was the number one reason why I went with this particular training program. But on top of the 15-day Business Builder Challenge, Dave also gives away a series of bonuses. Bonus number one, a high-ticket business plan. This is really the foundation of developing where you want to go next. Also, he gives you his own Facebook ad templates. These are the templates that he's used that's made him millions. So he gives them to you so that you can use them and adapt them to build your own online presence. Not only that, but he also gives you his high ticket email templates. So when someone opts into buy a product, they go onto a subscription list, and then from that, there's a series of emails that you send them that kind of helps them understand the situation or the product better. He gives all those emails to you. You don't have to create them. He also gives you video scripts. So when you are creating video online, if you're nervous and you don't know what even to say, he gives you those scripts. He also gives you a one-on-one business consultation. These are experts who can actually help you identify what is your niche market, what are you going to be doing online, and what direction you need to take. He also gives you his funnel. Now, if you don't know what a funnel is, don't worry, I'm going to be explaining it in the next video. But the fact that he gives you his number one earning funnel means you are automatically set up to start building a business online. And there you can see, $7 gets you over $3,500 worth of training support. All I can recommend is it's a money back guarantee. $7. Give it a go. It will totally transform the way you can see building your online presence. You don't need to have a website. This is not MLM. You do not have to support customers and clients. It's a very simple model that's been created by an expert who's been using this over and over again to drive his own success. So if you want some more information about this, just beneath the video, there's some text area there. You'll see one of my links that will take you to the Business Builder Challenge, and you can find out heaps more information about it. Please subscribe as well, because I am going to be doing how-to videos that's going to really speed up your learning process so that you can get your online business happening as quickly as possible. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.